This is my first album launch na live after ilang years. My last one was in 2011. So, na-miss ko yung mga ganitong pa-press con, tas may mga live performances. No? And it's going to be here at the Ayala Museum. So, it's going to be epic and I am just so excited to be performing for everyone.
Let's talk about the greatest hits, yung mga songs dito sa album na to. Ano ba yung mga nasa loob ng album na to? And I heard there's something special like vinyl ba to? Or let's talk about it.
Yes, very special kasi kung natatandaan nyo, I just celebrated my 20 years in the business. Last year sa MOA Arena, the title of the concert was Milestone. Then yung milestone na yon, tinur namin sa Amerika, sa Asia. And now it's going to be a live album on a double vinyl. So parang first time ko magkakaroon ng vinyl album and at the same time, first time ko rin in 21 years na magkakaroon ako ng isang live album.
Iba yung bigat, Kuya Eric, kapag naka-vinyl ng isang artist.
Talaga ba?
Oo, iba yun.
Legend
yun. Kapag nag-vinyl ng isang recording artist, how do you feel about that?
Sobra akong grateful. I'm so grateful and I feel so blessed. Especially na meron talaga akong mga taong kasama ko when I was just starting out. And up until now, kasama ko sila, the likes of course, Star Music, na dati Star Records pa lang, may ASAP family, may ABS-CBN family, may Cornerstone family, si Tito Boy, syempre, siya yung naka-discover sa akin. So, lahat ng ito, kumbaga, itong album na to is the summary of my journey as an artist. And yung laman nitong album na to yung kuha doon sa concert ko last year sa MOA Arena. So, mapapakinggan po nila ito ng live sa album in the form of, yun nga, double vinyl.